Hey guys, so sorry I couldn't upload videos, so I'm gonna do a pack opening. There's gonna be two parts, so I'm gonna open half now, then half in the other video. Let's see who we get. Okay, Austria, left back, FC Bayern Munich, 97 Alaba. Okay, now footies. I'm trying to get, I got a 97 Haaland already. Come on. Come on, Euro moment. I mean, not really. Who we? Conte? Okay, let's do more. Okay, it's okay. Guys, we're gonna stop at festival packs. Then I'm gonna make another video today, later. Okay, come on, no, Isaac. Switzerland, striker. Immobile. Okay, with the what if pack. Brazil, striker. Everton, Kai Havertz. Come on, I'm gonna guess Messi. No, Messi's not what if. Okay, 95 or 90. Okay, we're gonna do it up to here after the festival football. I think I got a 90-rated player. Yes. Okay, two more packs to go after. Belgium, striker. Borussia Dortmund, Hazard. France, centre back. Henderson. Come on. Switzerland, CDM. Okay, 91 Zakaria. Okay guys, so this is the end of the pack opening. There will be more videos coming out soon of new pack opening. And make sure you like and subscribe, and it will help me if you comment and tell me what to do if you want, whatever you want to do if it's about football. And yeah, bye.